Hey guys! Welcome back to another tutorial. If you're new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Also click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I post a new video.
Here's the step-by-step tutorial on how to download my presets on YouTube. After clicking the link on my post, you will be redirected on this page, but don't watch it here. What you need to do is click the three dots and choose to open on YouTube app or in browser. You can set the speed 2 times faster. Play and watch the video and click the download link that will appear on the right side corner of your screen. Click to download. You don't need a Dropbox account to download the DNG. Just click the X button here. Then click three dots and download. After downloading, do not click open. Exit and go to your Lightroom app. On your Lightroom app, click the import button and look for the file that you've just downloaded. Now let's try the preset. Click the three dots, then copy settings. And go to your unedited photo. Click the three dots again, then paste settings, and voila! You can also adjust the settings according to your liking.